St. Viator High School in Arlington Heights and New Trier High School in Northfield and Winnetka recently forced to close because of surging COVID cases. Tonight, another suburban district is making plans to prevent that kind of shutdown, implementing COVID screening for all students. CBS 2's Tara Molina spent the day in LaGrange.
District 105 isn't changing their in-school learning plan yet. They'll stick with their hybrid model, part in the classroom, part remote learning. But they're hoping that these voluntary saliva screeners can help keep them in the classroom, with other districts being forced out.
It's pretty basic.
This doesn't look like much. It's just an envelope, plastic straw, and collection tube.
I heard drooling works the best, but they'll either spit or drool into it.
But this little saliva screening kit could be a game changer for schools, according to District 105 Superintendent Brian Gannon.
We do feel like this will help keep us open, and that's our goal.
They're starting their voluntary screening program this weekend. He calls it an effort to keep students, teachers, and district families safe.
Everybody who volunteers will test once a week.
We found each one of these cost the district around $7. This district was able to move money around to cover those costs, with some help from state funding. And while they have a similar look to the mandatory tests being used at U of I, these aren't diagnostic tests, only screenings. We're told they can identify students who are possibly infectious in just 4 hours. Those students will then have to follow up with a COVID-19 test while the district contact traces. Something he said will be important after Thanksgiving and winter break.
It's really important to be able to, to screen those students as they come back.
Gannon said they need a majority of their students to choose to participate for the program to be effective. A couple days from the official start, he says he thinks they'll get there and that this could help more than just this district.
To keep kids in school, but also, and more importantly, to keep kids, staff, and community safe.
Nearby District 102 is already running a very similar program. I'm told they have had no false positives so far, and they're already talking to districts out of state about implementing similar programs. Reporting in the Loop, I'm Tara Molina, CBS 2 News.